In the darkest corners of mythology, there's a terrifying tale that'll send shivers down your spine. In ancient Greek mythology, the bloodthirsty Minotaur was said to feast on human flesh, devouring entire villages in a single night. This monstrous creature was so feared that the Greeks built an entire labyrinth to contain its brutality. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Today, we're digging into the deadliest mythical creatures in history, the ones that'll make your skin crawl and leave you sleeping with the lights on. Mythical creatures have been a part of human history for centuries, originating from ancient civilizations and passed down through generations. These fantastical beings have captivated our imagination, serving as cautionary tales, symbolizing moral lessons, and embodying the darker aspects of human nature. But what makes some of these creatures so deadly, so feared, and so deeply ingrained in our collective psyche? Mythical creatures tap into our deep-seated fears, speaking to the primal anxieties that lurk within us. They embody the unknown, the uncontrollable, and the supernatural. By creating these creatures, ancient cultures were able to make sense of the mysteries and terrors of the natural world. They provided a way to explain the inexplicable, to rationalize the irrational, and to confront the darkness that lies within. The human mind has an incredible capacity to create monsters, and mythical creatures are a manifestation of that creativity. They are a reflection of our darkest impulses, our deepest anxieties, and our most primal fears. By exploring these creatures, we are forced to confront the shadows within ourselves, to acknowledge the darkness that lurks beneath the surface of human nature. The chimera, a monstrous hybrid of a lion, a snake, and a goat, was said to be able to breathe fire, striking fear into the hearts of ancient Greeks. The kappa, a green humanoid creature from Japanese folklore, was known to be a merciless killer, luring victims to their deaths with its playful nature. The basilisk, a reptilian monster from European mythology, was said to be able to kill with a single glance, its gaze so deadly that it could petrify its victims. From the Hydra to Medusa, from the Kraken to the Sphinx, these creatures have been ingrained in our cultural consciousness, each with its unique brand of terror. But there's one creature that stands above the rest, one that's been synonymous with death and destruction for centuries. Meet the Draga, a Norse mythological creature that's been wreaking havoc on the living for centuries. This undead monster was said to be born from the graves of Viking warriors, rising from the dead to seek revenge on the living. With its superhuman strength and regenerative powers, the Draga was an unstoppable force of destruction, feared by even the bravest of warriors. Its very presence was said to be a harbinger of doom, striking fear into the hearts of those who crossed its path. The Draga's backstory is steeped in mystery and terror, with some tales suggesting that it was born from the darkest corners of Helheim, the Norse underworld. Its existence was a reminder of the consequences of disobeying the gods, of the price that must be paid for defying the natural order. The Draga's legend has endured for centuries, captivating the imagination of artists, writers, and filmmakers alike. As we've seen today, mythical creatures are more than just mere figments of our imagination. They are a reflection of our deepest fears and darkest anxieties. They are a testament to the power of human creativity, a reminder that even in the darkest corners of our psyche, there lies a spark of imagination waiting to be fanned into life. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the heart of darkness, where the deadliest mythical creatures await. If you've got a favorite mythical creature that you think deserves a spot in this list, let us know in the comments below. And if you're craving more folklore and legends, be sure to check out our other videos on the subject.